Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this vehicle. Today we're looking at this Peugeot Boxer 335. This van comes fitted with a 2.2 litre diesel engine and comes equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. This Peugeot Boxer comes finished in the solid paint colour ice white. Dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors. The van also comes fitted with a Towbar with a fixed ball towing head. Up top there is a high mounted rear view camera, and taking a look from the rear of the van inside the load area, it's in an almost factory fresh condition. The van comes fitted with a single sliding door located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Taking a look from this side, there is also a full steel black bulkhead. Up front in the cab there is some lovely upholstery in the magnet cloth. There is also plenty of leg space, and this van comes fitted with a few creature comforts. There is some 12V and USB Type A charging ports. This Peugeot also comes with navigation. For any more information on this vehicle, then please call us on 0121 514 0632. Alternatively, you can inquire online. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.